Everyone is talking about it. Nvidia's historic sell-off. A jaw-dropping $500 billion in market cap wiped out in a single day. The catalyst? DeepSeek AI breakthroughs that have shaken the market, raising concerns that Nvidia's once untouchable dominance might not be so secure after all. But before we dive into the panic, let's put things in perspective. Even with this sell-off, Nvidia is still up over 20 times in just 5 years. The real pain? It's for those who jumped in late, chasing the rally at sky-high valuations. But the ones who spotted Nvidia's potential early, they turned thousands into millions. Here's the reality. Nvidia is no longer an undiscovered gem. It's a tech titan nearing a $3 trillion market cap. And as AI stocks face growing volatility and scrutiny, the next wave of AI wealth won't come from Nvidia. It'll come from identifying the next Nvidia before the masses do, when it's still flying under the radar. We've identified 3 early-stage stocks with the right fundamentals, explosive potential, and the ability to ride the AI revolution, just like Nvidia did years ago. And history proves one thing: timing is everything. Those who act early reap the biggest rewards. If you're looking for the next game-changing AI play, stay locked in. These 3 stocks could be your millionaire-making opportunity. The first stock, IonQ, ticker IonQ. While AI steals the spotlight, another revolution is quietly unfolding: quantum computing. If you missed Nvidia before it became a $1 trillion giant, this could be your second chance at an early-stage, high-growth opportunity. Among the rising quantum players, IonQ stands out as the clear leader. Unlike competitors still stuck in development, IonQ is already generating significant revenue and forging deep partnerships with tech giants like Microsoft, Amazon, and Google. Companies like Hyundai, AstraZeneca, and Airbus are already using IonQ's quantum computers in real-world applications, proof that this isn't just theoretical hype. IonQ's trapped ion quantum computing technology is one of the most promising approaches, offering higher accuracy and greater scalability than competing systems. Its latest machine, IonQ Fort, is setting new performance benchmarks, and the next-gen IonQ Tempo is set for release in 2025, potentially solidifying its lead in this game-changing industry. From an investment standpoint, IonQ is exactly the kind of early-stage disruptor that can deliver exponential gains. With revenue expected to grow at a staggering 100% annually through 2027, Wall Street analysts predict it could hit a $40 billion market cap within a few years. Quantum computing is projected to explode into a $65 billion market by 2030, and IonQ is positioned to be the dominant force. Unlike Nvidia, now a $3 trillion behemoth trading at a premium, IonQ is still in its early innings. This is the kind of asymmetric opportunity that can create millionaires. The question is, will you recognize its potential before the masses do? The second stock, Rigetti Computing Incorporated, ticker RGTI. Quantum computing is heating up fast, and Rigetti is one of the most explosive players in the game. While many investors have overlooked this sector, Rigetti stock soared an incredible 1,500% last year, and for good reason. This isn't just another speculative quantum play. Rigetti has a major technological edge, strong partnerships, and a clear roadmap for rapid scaling. Unlike IonQ's trapped ion approach, Rigetti is focused on superconducting quantum processors, an approach backed by tech giants like IBM and Google. One of its biggest advantages, Rigetti has built Fab 1, the world's first dedicated quantum chip manufacturing facility. This gives it a vertically integrated advantage, allowing it to refine and develop quantum technology faster than the competition. The launch of its Ankaa 3 quantum computer in December 2024 was a game-changer, paving the way for a 100-plus qubit system by the end of 2025. That's critical because as quantum computing scales, it moves closer to solving real-world problems in finance, healthcare, and cybersecurity. Rigetti systems are already available on Amazon Braket and Microsoft Azure, positioning it for mass adoption. The quantum computing industry is expected to skyrocket from $1.5 billion in 2025 to over $15 billion by 2030, with some estimates reaching $170 billion by 2040. If Rigetti captures even a fraction of this market, Its current $4 billion valuation could explode fivefold in the next decade. This is still an early-stage opportunity, much like buying Nvidia before the AI boom. For those looking to ride the quantum wave, Rigetti is a high-risk, high-reward play with enormous upside. The time to get in, before the market fully wakes up. The third stock, Allot Ltd, ticker Allot, AI and quantum computing are making waves. But there's another sector quietly building unstoppable momentum: cybersecurity. As threats become more sophisticated, companies that can provide seamless, scalable security solutions are set to dominate. And Allot is positioning itself as a major player in this space. What makes Allot unique? Instead of traditional security software that requires manual installation, Allot delivers built-in network-level security directly through telecom providers. This means millions of users get seamless cybersecurity without lifting a finger. And it's already gaining massive traction. Allot has secured partnerships with global telecom giants like Vodafone and Verizon. A recent deal with Verizon alone is expected to add $11 to $18 million in annual recurring revenue by the end of 2025, with long-term potential exceeding $90 million. With Verizon's 30.5 million business subscribers, the upside here is enormous. But it doesn't stop there. Allot is also expanding its cybersecurity solutions with Vodafone, integrating across mobile and fixed-line networks. The total cybersecurity as a service market is projected to hit $5 billion, and Allot is just scratching the surface. Right now, it's a small-cap stock trading at a fraction of industry leaders like Palo Alto Networks and CrowdStrike. But its partnerships and high-margin revenue model make it an under-the-radar powerhouse. Just like in AI, finding the right stock before the market catches on can be life-changing. And with Allot on the verge of a massive breakout in 2025, this could be the cybersecurity stock that delivers 10x gains in the years ahead. The window of opportunity is closing. We've seen it time and time again. Those who identified the right stocks early, whether it was Nvidia, Tesla, or Amazon, reaped the biggest rewards. Now with AI, quantum computing, and cybersecurity at the forefront of the next tech revolution, these three stocks have the potential to be the next big winners. But with opportunities like this, timing is everything. If you wait for mainstream recognition, the biggest gains will already be gone.